In this video, I am going to share with you how you can convert your spreadsheets to PDF. This is important because you wouldn't want, when you send a spreadsheet file to someone, the person will manipulate the data or even move some data by mistake. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. The very first thing I will need to do is to open a spreadsheet file. Here, I have a spreadsheet file of a data set for smartphone sales in first quarter of 2025. As you can see, there are brands, January sales, February sales, March sales, and total sales for this first quarter. You may send out this file and the recipient of that file may try to change some of this data or even move some of them by mistake. To avoid this, you need to convert it to PDF so that it will be difficult for common users to do. This means that some highly tech person can still be able to manipulate this data, but for common users, they can't do anything. To do this, all you will have to do is to go to File menu. I use Microsoft Office 2021. It is going to be basically the same for other Microsoft Office versions. That is to say, you will need to stay through as I do more tutorial on recent Office application. So from File menu, you will need to click on Save As button because we have already saved this file before, but this time we want to convert it as PDF. So once I select the location where I want to save this file, I will then leave the name as it is, that is the file name. But for the file type, it won't be saved this time as Excel workbook. I am going to change this and use PDF, that is portable document format. Once I select that, I will then select standard publishing. This is fine for both online and printing. If you want to reduce the file size, you can choose this one, which is minimum size. You will use it only for online publishing. Once you are done, you choose whether to open the file after publishing or not. Let me uncheck this button at this time, then click on Save button. Once I do that, my file will immediately be converted to PDF file. Let's look at it. So this is the file now. Do not worry because it is showing Opera icon here. That is because I have set Opera Mini Browser as my default file for opening PDF applications. But then if you want to be sure, you can just right click on the file and click on Properties. From here, you will see that the file is .pdf. Okay, even when you go to Details tab, you will also see it as .pdf. So if you have a PDF file reader, you will also see it with PDF file application icon. So I can also choose to open it using any other application aside Opera. I can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or choose any other application of my choice. Let me open it with Google Chrome so that you see that it is a PDF file. You can see this is the PDF and you cannot be able to edit it, at least for everyday users. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to this channel. That will be your own way for supporting me. Remember to like this video so that YouTube will share it with others. We are going to look at another method of doing this. We just did it with Microsoft Excel. Let us do it with Google Sheets. So if I come to this environment, I have this Google Sheet template for monthly budgets. You can see it is in slide sheets, meaning that it is editable. For example, if I don't want this starting balance here, which is $1,000, I can change it maybe to $2,000. So that shows that it is editable. But this time I want to convert it into PDF so that it cannot be easily edited. I hope you understand. Let's do that. All I will need to do is to come to File menu here. Remember, this is Google Sheets. Now I will now come to Download and then choose PDF. Once I do that, you can see we'll have two sheets. What I will do next is to choose the paper size. Maybe I will use A4 size, which is this. Then decide whether it will be in portrait or landscape. So let's leave it in landscape. Then I can also change some of these options here. Once I am done, I will then choose export. When you click on export button, it will bring out this information. So this information is just telling you that it's going to be in PDF so that it will not be accidentally changed. I hope you understand. So once you click OK, it will export that PDF file for you. You can find it in your download folder. Let's go to download folder. Boom, here is the file. So let me also open it with Google Chrome, just like we did before. Here is it as PDF. Remember, this is the former one, the first one that we did. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, share it with your loved ones. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. I also have a video that shows how to convert a Word document to PDF. You can find the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.